and pat it into your skin. Serums these days are in trend. It also adds the soft glow to your skin. They will work as fab into your... If you have blackheads, whiteheads or clogged pores, serum, also known as vitamin B3, that is going to work on your fine line, wrinkles and even acne. Beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'll be talking about the very popular and get confusing thing for all of you, and majority of the ladies are really confused that what serums and what moisturizers and what skincare you have to do according to your skin concern. There are lots of serums in the market right now, and guys, I know most of the girls are really confused at how to choose the serum that is beneficial and accurate according to your skin concern. Watch this video to know about which serum is good for your skin type and your skin concern. So it is obvious to get confused because market में इतने सारे serums हैं और इतने सारे products हैं, and serums these days are in trend because why not? They target your skin conditions very effectively. So in this video I am going to help you that which serum is good for your skin type and skin condition. Let's quickly dive into this video. Let's talk about the first serum category. I am talking about niacinamide, my personal favorite also. Niacinamide serum is most popular and most versatile forms of serum available out there. Niacinamide serum, also known as vitamin B3. Now let's check what it does to your skin.
Niacinamide is basically a multi-purpose skincare ingredient. It helps to build keratin, and keratin is a protein that maintains your skin health. Now, if you have uneven skin tone, you have hyperpigmentation, you have post-acne marks, discoloration on your skin, or you have a compromised skin barrier, vitamin B3, that is niacinamide, rescue your skin.
Now there are a lot of niacinamide serums in the market, but it's really important to pick up the right one according to your skin type and skin condition. Basically, serums are all about actives and they are powerful in nature. So अगर आपने पहले कभी कोई actives use नहीं करे, so I will suggest you to start with very low concentration. If you are a beginner, start with 5% of niacinamide and you can switch to 10% of niacinamide. One of my most favorite serums in niacinamide is from The Ordinary, that contains 1% of zinc also, so that's absolutely amazing product. Now let's talk about the another very popular serum category. I'm talking about vitamin C serum. So practically so many brands have formulated something or other with vitamin C, and why not? Because it's a great antioxidant. It works beautifully on your skin. So what vitamin C does to your skin?
Vitamin C reverses the sun damage, and most importantly, it boosts the collagen, that is a protein in our skin. It fades hyperpigmentation. It evens out your skin tone and reduces the dark under eye circles. And it has plethora of benefits.
It also adds the soft glow to your skin. There are several derivatives of vitamin C in the market, but most potent and my favorite is L-ascorbic acid. Of course, it gives you amazing results. Clears has done hands down the best job at the beautiful formulation of Clears vitamin C serum. I am going to tell you about the another stable vitamin C serum, ethyl ascorbic acid. Another very popular form of vitamin C derivative that has been used in a lot of skincare products, and one product that I can recommend you all is this ferulic acid. Comes formulated with 10% vitamin C and 0.5% of ferulic acid. Is from Deconstruct. They have done an amazing job in this vitamin C. A very lightweight consistency. I love the fact that this has a great shelf life and absorbs in the skin very easily. So moving on to the third and most popular skin concerns these days among people. If you have blackheads, whiteheads or clogged pores, you need a good beta hydroxy acid, also called BHA. The most popular form of this is 2% salicylic acid. Now, what is salicylic acid does to your skin?
It penetrates deep into your pores and sucks out all the debris and dirt, and also a sebum.
So if you are a beginner, start with 2 to 5 times a week. Can build it up 4 to 5 times a week, preferably in your nighttime skincare routine. Now I have used several salicylic acid serums and moisturizers and even toners, but I have to pick my favorite one that I can recommend to you all guys, and that is this one. Now, if you have a dull, dehydrated skin, you basically need to include a hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine. Also, if you will include hyaluronic acid and niacinamide together, they will work as fab into your skin. They will repair your compromised skin barrier. Make sure to top this type of serum with the good moisturizer that contains ceramides, peptides, or both, and glycerin is the another great ingredient to match it with. So make sure you have very hydrating, nourishing moisturizer. So one of the hyaluronic acid that I will recommend you is this one. And what it does to your skin, let's talk about that.
So basically it hydrates your skin and make it firm, reduces your wrinkles, anti-aging, and protects your skin barrier.
The best way to include a hyaluronic acid into your skincare routine is to use on your damp skin so that your skin can make the most out of the hydration you will get from hyaluronic acid serum. Make sure you will drop 2 to 3 drops on your face and then pat it into your skin. Moving on to the next and another very popular category of serum. Now what you do if you want something to work on anti-aging, that is going to work on your fine line, wrinkles, and even acne, you use a good retinol serum. Now retinol is a tricky ingredient. It's really important to start slow and not jump into it. You want to build it up very slowly because it will be very drying on your skin. Look for a retinol that is paired with a niacinamide to maintain your skin barrier, something that has hydrating, moisturizing ingredients. It's very important to make sure that you use a very nourishing moisturizer on top of your retinol serum. One retinol serum that I am totally obsessed with is this. Start using retinol once a week only in your night skincare routine. And if you are using retinol, make sure to use a sunscreen each and every morning, and then you can build it up to 2 to 3 times a week, depending on how your skin reacts to retinol. Like I said, be slow and be consistent to it. You will see results not overnight. It does take a few weeks, sometimes even months. So now what retinol does to your skin?
Retinol has some best benefits on anti-aging that reduces fine lines and wrinkles, exfoliates and boosts your collagen.
So guys, with this it's a wrap. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you really like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until I see you next time guys, bye, take care, see you in my next vlog.